Are you a woman looking to start a new business? Do you dream of becoming an entrepreneur? Taking the entrepreneurial leap is like standing at the edge of a cliff, heart pounding and deciding to jump. It's a thrilling, exhilarating, and at times, a terrifying journey. But with the right mindset and the courage to face challenges head-on, it can lead to a world of success and fulfillment. It's important to understand that entrepreneurship isn't a walk in the park. There will be obstacles and setbacks. There will be days where you question your decisions. However, the potential rewards are immense. You'll be creating something from scratch, turning a dream into a reality, and building a legacy that could last a lifetime. So, are you ready to leap? To push beyond your comfort zone? To embrace the unknown and the exciting journey that lies ahead? Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey requires courage, but the rewards can be immense. The first step in starting a business is identifying your business idea. This statement may sound simple enough, but finding the right idea can often be the most challenging part of the entrepreneurial journey. It's about aligning your passions and skills with a viable business concept. Think about what you're passionate about. What gets your heart racing and your creative juices flowing? That's a great starting point. Now look at your skills. What are you good at? What do you excel in? It's essential to choose an idea that leverages your strengths and aligns with your interests. Now let's talk about brainstorming. This is where you let your mind wander and dream big. Imagine the possibilities, and don't limit yourself. Write down every idea, no matter how outlandish it may seem. You might be surprised at what you come up with. Once you've got a list, it's time to evaluate. Which of these ideas are feasible? Which ones align with your skills and passions? Are there any market gaps that your idea could fill? But how do you know if your idea is viable? Well, a great trick is to consider whether your idea solves a problem. The most successful businesses often provide solutions to problems that people face. If your idea can make someone's life easier, it has potential. Another method is to look for trends. What's happening in the world right now that your business could be part of? Trends can be a great way to identify opportunities and get a head start in a growing market. Don't forget to consider the competition. Look at what others are doing and think about how you could do it differently or better. Remember, competition is not always a bad thing. It can help you refine your idea and push you to be the best you can be. Finally, be patient with yourself. Identifying your business idea is a process. It takes time, thought, and a lot of self-reflection, but the reward is worth it. Remember, a great business idea is one that combines your passions, skills, and a market need. So take your time, reflect, and get ready to take your first step into the world of entrepreneurship. Once you have your business idea, it's time to do some market research. Now you might be thinking, market research? Sounds like a lot of work. But let me assure you, it's an exciting part of the process where your idea starts taking shape in the real world. So why is market research important? It's like using a compass on an unfamiliar trail. It helps you identify your target audience, understand the competition, and recognize the market trends. Without it, you could end up lost in the wilderness of the business world. First things first, let's talk about your target audience. Who are they? What do they need or want? Are they young professionals, busy parents, or stylish seniors? Understanding who your potential customers are will help you tailor your products or services to meet their needs. This isn't about making assumptions, but about gathering real, tangible data. Surveys, interviews, and social media are great tools to get you started. Next, let's take a look at your competition. Don't shy away from this step. It's not about being intimidated, but about learning. Who are the key players in your industry? What are they doing right? Where are they falling short? By evaluating your competition, you can identify opportunities to differentiate your business and carve out your unique space in the market. And finally, market trends. These are like the winds that can either propel your business forward or blow it off course. Are there emerging trends that align with your business idea? Maybe there's a growing interest in sustainable products or a shift towards remote work. By understanding these trends, you can position your business to ride the wave of change rather than being swept away by it. Remember, market research isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that will continue to guide you as your business grows and evolves. It's about staying in tune with your customers, your competition, and your market. Because the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Market research is crucial to understand your audience and to position your business effectively. So take out your compass and let's start exploring. With a clear understanding of the market, you can now start crafting your business plan. This is your master blueprint, the comprehensive guide that will lead your business from the conception phase to actual operation and beyond. Let's break it down into the key components. First, we have the executive summary. This is the elevator pitch for your business. It's a brief overview that encapsulates the who, what, where, when, and why of your business. It should be compelling and concise, a snapshot that ignites interest and makes people want to learn more. Next is the company description. This is where you provide a detailed look at what your business does. Explain your objectives, the problems you solve, and how you stand out from your competitors. This section should reflect the heart and soul of your business. Then comes the market analysis. You've done your research. Now it's time to show that you understand your industry, your target market, and how your business fits into this landscape. Highlight opportunities and discuss how your business will seize them. The organization and management section details your business's structure. Who's in charge? How are responsibilities divided? This section provides clarity on your team structure and the roles that each member plays. Next, you'll describe your service or product line. What are you selling or what service are you providing? This section details the benefits of your products or services and why customers should choose you over your competitors. The marketing and sales section outlines your strategy for attracting and retaining customers. How will you reach your target market? How will you turn prospects into customers? This section should reflect your knowledge of your customer's journey. Finally, we have the financial projections. This section provides a forecast of your business's financial health. It's a critical part of the plan, especially if you're seeking funding. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. It guides your business's direction and helps attract potential investors. So, take your time with it, refine it, and let it be the guiding light for your entrepreneurial journey. Now let's talk about money. How are you going to fund your business? It's a big question and one that has numerous answers. First up, we have bootstrapping. This means using your own savings or revenue to fund your business. It's a great option if you have the funds and want to maintain control, but it can be risky. Next, consider loans. These could be from a bank or a microfinance institution. Loans can provide a significant cash injection, but remember, they need to be repaid with interest. Then we have investors. These could be angel investors, venture capitalists, or even friends and family. Investors provide funding in exchange for a share of your business. Lastly, there's crowdfunding. This involves raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, usually via the internet. It's an exciting option, but it requires a strong marketing strategy. Choosing the right funding option depends on your business model, your personal financial situation, and your tolerance for risk. Behind every successful business is a great team. It's not just a saying, it's a fundamental truth. Your team will be the engine that drives your vision forward, turning your dreams into reality. But building a strong team, it's not as simple as posting a job ad and crossing your fingers. Firstly, you need to identify the skills and talents your business needs. Think about the roles that are crucial for your operation. Is it a savvy marketer, a detail-oriented project manager, or perhaps a creative designer? Once you've identified these roles, it's time to recruit. Look beyond the resumes. Look for passion, drive, and a willingness to learn. These traits are often more important than experience. But recruitment is just the start. Retaining talent is equally important. Encourage open communication, foster a supportive environment, and provide opportunities for growth. Remember, your team is your business's greatest asset. Choose wisely and treat them well. Now that you have all the elements in place, it's time to take the leap and start your business. You've done the groundwork, laid the foundation, and now it's time to let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Remember, this journey isn't about immediate success. It's about resilience, about bouncing back from setbacks with grit and determination. It's about persistence, about sticking to your vision even when the road gets rough. It's about adaptability, about being flexible enough to pivot when necessary, yet staying true to your core values. This journey is about taking risks and embracing challenges. It's about learning and growing along the way. It's about becoming the best version of yourself as an entrepreneur and as a person. So don't hold back. Don't let fear of failure stop you from reaching your full potential. The journey of entrepreneurship is a thrilling ride. So, take the leap and make your business dream a reality. You have the tools and the power to succeed.